Unlocking the Secrets of Beauty Consultations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's become increasingly popular in both the beauty industry and everyday conversations: beauty consultation. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will unveil all you need to know about beauty consultations. So, let's get started. A beauty consultation is a personalized meeting or session between a beauty professional and a client. During this time, the consultant assesses the client's needs, preferences, and concerns regarding their appearance. This could cover a wide range of topics, from skincare and makeup to hair and nails. The key goal of a beauty consultation is to provide expert advice and tailor recommendations that enhance the client's natural beauty and confidence. It's a pivotal step for anyone looking to make informed decisions about their beauty regimen. Understanding your needs. The first part of a beauty consultation often involves a discussion about your current beauty routine, what you like about it, and what you're hoping to change. This is your chance to express your desires and concerns. Expert analysis. The beauty consultant then analyzes your skin type, facial features, hair condition, or any other relevant aspects, depending on the focus of the consultation. This analysis is crucial for making accurate recommendations. Personalized recommendations. Based on the discussion and analysis, the consultant will suggest products, treatments, or routines. These recommendations are tailored specifically to you, aiming to address your concerns and enhance your natural beauty. Q&A session. Finally, a good consultation includes a question and answer session, where you can clarify doubts, ask about alternative options, and understand how to implement the suggestions into your routine. Opting for a beauty consultation can be a game-changer for many reasons. It offers personalized advice that's hard to get from generic sources. You gain insights into the best practices for your specific needs, learn about the latest trends and products, and, perhaps most importantly, you can avoid the trial and error process that often leads to wasted time and money. A consultation empowers you with knowledge to make choices that are right for you. We hope this exploration into the world of beauty consultations has been enlightening. Remember, seeking professional advice can be a valuable step in your beauty journey, helping you to not only look but also feel your best. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep shining bright.